We are at Meow Wolf Convergence Station in Denver, and we are so excited to explore, so come on with us.
This place is so cool. Looks like it doesn't really matter which elevator you take since all the worlds are connected in the background. Okay, so as we explore C Street, I'm going to tell you how Meow Wolf works. Basically, this is our third Meow Wolf. We went to the one in Santa Fe a long time ago, then we went to Vegas when it opened. Now we're here in Convergence Station in Denver. Basically, there's a story that ties all this craziness together. You just gotta find clues and just kind of open things and touch things, and everything is interactive. Just have fun and just try everything.
Our economy is based on the sharing of memories and their smaller denomination, MEMS. Book your QPASS at Memports to resurface MEMS. My interest is piqued.
A generation ago, pieces of 4 unique worlds were torn away from their home planets and thrust together into this convergence.
Oh, that's a shortcut to this other world. What? Oh, this is cool. We found the control room. We're calling the 7 Monolith Village. That's the one in Vegas. Okay, let's look for clues.
How do I use this?
A yelp?
A yelp.
That is some quality footage right there.
It's me. I am the whistle. My name's Kaya. Here's what's going on.
Where to?
They better move.
Oh, we're gonna take out some ladies. Let's go watch a movie.
Stop by the concession stand for a giant bucket of boiling great clumps.
Oh, he likes you. He's shy. We're playing a game. Right here. What do we do? Oh, okay. Oh! Oh, I'm not good at this. Yeah, that's no surprise.
Missed the ingredients. Oh my gosh, it's real stressful.
What up?
What?
We're gonna register to vote for our new mayor. Omega Mart products.
I'm no C-Street conspiracy theorist, but I do find it strange that each of the converged worlds is home to one of the forgotten four, including Earth.
I think that's the house of the eternal return. Santa Fe, Meow Wolf?
Yeah. Like, where you were someone.
Oh, that's trippy.
They got him slinging soda in his Cineplex and a whole bucket of bolts.
Is that Garfield? Yeah, let's take him home. There we go. We have no idea where we're going. The other two Meow Wolves that we've been to, you can kind of understand the layout, but in this one, no clue. Absolutely no
I
idea.
feel like I'm starting to get it, but we've been here 2 hours, still haven't seen everything, and we've been going at a decent pace, not slow.
Oh, it's a little fish. Whoa, it goes forever. What is this? A clown room? Oh, it's the pizza room. The fire truck. Yeah, you can hear it, it's like
Miho is an ancient memory bank storing data from eons ago. Maybe 99% sure that we have done it all.
I think
sure.
so, yeah. We've been here for 3 hours now?
3 hours.
We mostly know the story.
I don't know the story.
We haven't figured it out, but we got lots of pieces.
This is our third Meow Wolf. It includes what pieces they have, and we have loved all of them. Go check out our other videos.
By far, this is the largest. I think it's the coolest.
I think it's the coolest.
This has so much to do. There's a massive amount of people in here, but it only gets crowded every once in a while because the place is so big that you can spread out most of the time. Okay, so what was your favorite room?
One of them was the one with that ball in the middle and has like the neon things on the sides, changed colors.
I wasn't even looking at it.
Another one is the stairway that's like white with the ceramics in it.
Yeah, mine was like that really pastel room with like the confetti ceiling.
Oh, I did love that one too. That was pretty.
So definitely recommend checking it out. And we'll see you at the next Meow Wolf. Get some merch.
Okay, eyes are adjusting back to being in the sunlight. Did you see that? Okay, couple last things. Parking is $10. You pay at the front. Once you're in, you are in. So if you want to like come out and then stop at the gift shop and then go back in, explore a little bit more, eat at the cafe and then go back in, like you can do that. You could stay here for so long. There's no time limit. So have fun.
I'm sure there's a ton of new things that we haven't even uncovered yet. So definitely worth coming back and spending even more hours here. Oh, is this the venue? Yeah.